sleeping with the babysitter?
Don't act so surprised, Susan. It's your fault anyways.
She's 18 years old. You could be her father.
But we're in love, and love doesn't know age. Right, Mr. Brooks?
That's right, Julie. I taught you well.
How could you do it to me? I loved you.
This video is sponsored by Gin Rummy Stars, a free-to-play, friendly gin rummy game that you can play anytime, anywhere. A big thank you to them, but more on them later. Hey Susan, what's going on?
Hey, not much. Thanks for asking.
You ready for today's game brief? They're gonna bring in a mobile game for us to test out.
Gin Rummy Stars, right?
That's the one.
Yeah.
Susan,
Yeah?
turn around.
Why, what's up?
Susan, will you look at me, please? What happened? Why are you sad?
My stomach hurts. I must have eaten something weird, but I'm okay. I'm fine.
It's Richard, isn't it? Did he yell at you again? Do you remember what you told me last time happened?
Susan! Where are my clean clothes?
I'm sorry. I totally forgot. I was working and I just didn't think about it. I didn't put them in the washer.
What am I supposed to wear now? Huh?
Maybe when I'm at work, you could wash them.
A man washing his own clothes. Are you nuts? I want you to do your job as a woman and wash your husband's clothes.
Richard, please stop. But this time it was worse.
What do you mean worse? Oh my God! Susan, are you okay?
Not really.
Susan, how long are you gonna put up with him treating you like this? Why don't you just leave him already?
Mary, I can't do that. It's not that easy.
All right, ladies. It's time to test out this new mobile game app. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Follow me. Okay. This new mobile game our company is going to market is called Gin Rummy Stars. Remember, we only work with the best mobile games out there, so let's play it and tell me what you think.
All right, I'm excited. Sounds fun.
Me too, actually, it does.
All right, girls. The game is totally free to play for both iOS and Android, so let's start by downloading the game.
Okay, I downloaded it. What's next?
Now I'm going to explain how to play it, so listen closely. Each player is dealt 10 cards, collects sets and runs. Try to avoid the extra cards, which count as dead wood. Your goal is to complete the highest number of sets and runs. And the extra cards, the dead wood, need to be as low as you can in order to achieve more points than your opponent. Gin Rummy rules are easy to learn, so you can master the full Gin Rummy strategy in no time. And enjoy the best online card game with your friends and family.
Oh my God, this is so fun.
Are these real people we're playing against?
Yes, in this game you can play against live and challenging opponents from all over the world. You also improve your strategic skills and train your brain.
Yes, I won!
Great job, Susan!
Thank you, thank you.
You know what, I need to take this. Just keep playing, okay?
Okay. Okay, before we continue playing, you want to tell me how you got that black eye?
I don't know if I should.
Susan, you can trust me.
Okay. It happened this morning.
Susan! I'm starving. What's taking so long in there?
I'm going as fast as I can, Richard. And we're out of mayonnaise, so you're probably gonna have to get some.
Can't you get it? I got cars with the boys this afternoon, so I'm not gonna have time.
No, No, I can't do it. I'm working 10 hours at the office. I don't have time to go get groceries.
Don't talk back to me, woman. I'm the man in this house, so what I say goes. You understand? I said, do you understand that?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, my king.
That's my girl. I trained you well. That was good.
Thank you.
You know, I knew I made the right decision. Marrying you over all those other pretty girls. Now, you're not the easiest thing to look at, but you make up for it in a lot of other ways. Great cook, hard worker. Speaking of hard work, I hadn't landed another job, so I'm gonna need some more money.
More money? Richard, I just gave you $500 like last week.
I just gave you $500 last week. Well, I spent it. Would I be standing there asking for more if I didn't have it?
What did you spend it on? I pay for everything. The rent, the groceries, I pay for everything.
What I spent it on ain't none of your concern. Don't ever get in my business again about my money.
Richard, the reason why I ask is because you know my mom needs that heart surgery. I'm saving for that.
Not this again.
Richard, if she doesn't get it, she's gonna die.
So what? Isn't she like 100 years old? She's lived long enough.
She's not 100 years old. And I can't lose her. You know I can't lose her.
If you did lose her, you'd still have your husband right here for you. And that's all you need. Now give me some money.
No, Richard, I can't. I'm sorry. No, I can't.
Give me that.
Richard,
Give it up.
It's not your money.
I need
I
it.
said no.
Mom, what's going on?
Adam, get back in your room. It's between me and your mother.
Why are you fighting?
Put this in front of me.
Dad, get off of Mom! You're hurting her!
Susan, let go of the money or I'm gonna hurt you.
You wouldn't dare.
Oh yeah?
I cannot believe he did that to you.
I know, I can't either.
What did you do? Did you slap him back?
Sorry about that. Where were we?
We were talking about Gin Rummy Stars.
Oh, that's right. Gin Rummy Stars is my favorite game lately. I've already reached level 30 so far, and I am loving it.
Susan, I bet I can get to a higher level than you.
Oh, you're on, sister.
In the game, you can also find special variants, like the Joker Gin. You also have album collections you can play with. You can even personally customize your own avatar. How cool is that? Do you think you're smart enough to win Gin? Just download the app now and try to beat me. What are you waiting for? Just click the link in the description, download the mobile game for free, and receive 1,000 free coins and daily bonuses. Good luck, and I will see you there.
Mrs. April, who are you talking to?
Oh, nobody. But anyways, I'll leave you here testing out the game, and I'll be back in a couple minutes.
Okay, sounds good.
So what did you do after he slapped you?
You hit me. I can't believe you hit me.
I told you not to question my authority. Now that's what you get for talking back. Let's see what we got here. 601. Not bad.
She needs it. Please don't take it, please.
Okay, fine. She can have some of the money.
$1? Richard, please. Please.
That must be the babysitter.
What babysitter?
I hired one. Because clearly Adam here is a spoiled brat.
Hello, Mr. Brooks. I'm here for the babysitting job.
Julie, hey. Welcome to my home. Come on in.
Oh, is this a bad time? I can come later.
My wife accidentally slipped and hit her eye on the counter.
Hi. It's a pleasure to meet you, Miss Brooks.
How old are you?
Oh, I actually just turned 18 yesterday. Still a senior in high school.
All right, that's enough chit chat. Susan, off to work.
And that's how it happened.
That's awful. I knew Richard was a bad guy, but now I think he's a monster.
Yeah. He is.
Susan, you know how in Gin Rummy Stars, the way to win the game is to pick the right cards?
Yeah.
But in order to do that, you have to get rid of the deadwood, which is what they call the cards that don't help you.
Yeah. Mary, where are you going with that?
Well, life is kind of like the game. In order to win and succeed, we have to get rid of the things that are holding us back.
So what you're saying is that I have to get rid of Richard because he's my deadwood. And when I do, my life will be better.
Bingo.
So what do y'all think about Gin Rummy Stars?
It's so much fun. I love that I can play anywhere, anytime.
Yeah, we approve of it. I definitely will be playing every day to improve my strategic skills and help me train my brain.
Awesome! I knew you would love it.
I won again!
Congratulations, Susan. Well, now I have a very important meeting, so you girls can leave early.
Thank you. Bye, Miss April.
So what are you gonna do about Richard?
I mean, he is my husband and he doesn't treat me well, but at the end of the day, I made promises in our wedding vows to be there for him, for better or for worse, right? Richard, I'm home early. I brought the mail. Richard? Richard? Is that you? Richard? Is that you?
You're sleeping with the babysitter?
Don't act so surprised, Susan. It's your fault anyways.
She's 18 years old. You could be her father.
But we're in love, and love doesn't know age. Right, Mr. Brooks?
That's right, Julie. I taught you well.
How could you do it to me? I loved you.
Hey! Thanks to Gin Rummy Stars for sponsoring this video and helping us to raise awareness of fighting the violence against women. Gin Rummy Stars is a mobile game created, designed, and managed by talented and influential women. Today's lesson teaches us that no one should participate in an unhealthy, abusive, violent relationship, and we have the power to stop it. If you or your friend is taking part in an unhealthy relationship, don't stay alone. Please connect with the assistance centers and share your story. Remember, everyone should be treated with love, kindness, and respect. Thanks again to Gin Rummy Stars for sponsoring this episode. Be sure to download the game using the link in the description below. We also pin it on the first comment in the comment section. Make sure you share this video with all your family and friends.